John here from Diode. Today we're excited to introduce our new SS3 fog light kit for the 2014 to 2015 Lexus IS250. Now this kit does fit several other Lexus models. To see if it fits yours, you can use our vehicle finder tool linked in the description below. As you can see with our SS3 fog light kit installed, not only does it give you a clean, modern appearance, but provide you with a significant increase in light output over any factory fog light option. Our SS3 fog light kit was designed to be a direct bolt-on plug-and-play installation with no other modifications required. We offer our SS3 fog light kit in two separate SAE compliant options. One in a 6000K cool white driving optic that shines light downrange that's intended to be used as a supplemental high beam. And another in our fog optic, which is available in our 3000K selective yellow or 6000K cool white that shines light directly in front of the vehicle at over an 80-degree spread. If you're looking to pick up an SS3 fog light kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, you can visit diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.